Oh, you know it don't matter anyway.
Hey YouTube, it's Daesha here and welcome back to my channel. I want to say Happy New Year because this is my first video of 2017, so I know it's like a lot of days in, like why are you still saying Happy New Year, but it is still January and this is my first video of 2017, so Happy New Year guys. So my hair is straight right now. It's been straight for about just a little bit, almost a week, and usually when my hair gets like really greasy from it being straight, I like to curl it or do other styles with it, because I feel like when it's greasy and it's just regularly straight like this, it kind of poofs up a lot, and if I add curls or something, if it gets poofy, I don't really care because it's like a style to me, I don't know. But today I wanted to show you guys how I got my hair like this. And then here's another picture. I really like this hairstyle. Like it looks like it's braided, but it's really not. And then when the humidity hits it, it looks really like kind of like natural. I know it's like not natural for my hair to be all wavy like that, but when it gets humid, it looks like your hair kind of like makes itself to that. I don't know. So if you guys would like to know how I achieved that hairstyle, please stay tuned. Alright, so before we start this hairstyle, I do want to talk about the tools that I'm about to use. The main tool that I use is the heat protectant because I don't like to put more heat on my hair after I've already straightened it. So for heat protectant, I just got this from Bumble and Bumble. It's the invisible oil. I don't know if you guys can see that. Come on, focus. And I'm pretty sure you guys already know one of my favorite heat protectants that I use from Tresemme. And then I recently, when I started straightening my hair a few months ago, I got this one, and it's from Cream of Nature's, and it's like a smooth and shine polisher heat defense. I think the word's kind of like rubbed off a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it. But normally I wouldn't like to use oil-based things because I already told you I don't really like when my hair is oily, but I'll put it in my hair when it's damp, like when I'm about to blow dry it, because it can protect from that heat from the blow dryer as well. And then sometimes with styles like this, I don't mind using that because my hair already got naturally oily kind of already, so I mean I'm just gonna put more oil in that's already, it's a heat protectant, so I'm not going to be wearing my hair bone straight anymore, so I could use that one too. Okay, next, alright, so some of you probably are like, what the heck is that? But this is what I'm gonna be using to achieve this hairstyle, and I'm trying to keep it away from my face because it is hot right now and it gets really hot, and I don't want any burn marks anywhere. But this is a Crimper. I don't know if you guys can see the smoke coming out, but this is the Crimper. I use the Crimper to achieve that hairstyle. But yeah, so this is the Crimper that I have. It's just says Annie. I've had this Crimper for years, and I think it was like a gift and I barely knew how to use it. Yeah, so those are the tools that I'm going to be using today, so let's get started. Alright, so to start this hairstyle, I'm going to be using like medium sections. I don't want to use like really small sections because I want my waves to be pretty big, so I'm gonna be using like medium sections. I'm not even doing this precisely, you guys. I'm just doing it. What you guys can see is just, you know, I don't even know if that's even right, but I'm just gonna be having these two pieces that I'm about to do right now. And then I've already previously used the oil heat protectant, so I'm going to spray on the Bumble one. And mind you, since it's water-based, if you are using like a water-based one, you do want to spray it and then immediately you want to spray it and then immediately put the heat on it, because it will, if you spray too much or if it's too close, then it will kind of like revert your curls back if you do have naturally curly hair. So I'm just gonna spray it, and not a lot. And then if you want, I use my comb to like comb it through. And then it smells really good too. And then be careful with your ear, but you know, you just clamp it down. Pretty simple. It's not really that hard of a hairstyle. It's pretty easy. That's why it's one of my favorites. And I just leave it on there for about 5 seconds. And then sometimes I like clamp it down a few times to make sure it's stuck. And then do the same thing going down. And then I do hold the pieces like at the end so that the hair doesn't like randomly go different places. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. And then okay, so this is the first one. And you see how it has a little indentation waves like that. And I know you guys are thinking, why am I not using hairspray? The reason why I'm not using hairspray is because I don't want, like, I kind of want this hairstyle to get frizzy, and I kind of want this hairstyle to like lose its perfection, you know? So I'm not gonna put the hairspray in it to like freeze it. And another reason is because I don't have any, because I don't particularly use hairspray because my hair is always wet and curly and I don't need hairspray. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. And then I do kind of hold it on the ends a little longer because I want crimped ends too, but sometimes it doesn't work because my ends tend to get frizzy faster than the rest of the hair. So yeah, that's why I would do that. But yeah, so these are the two pieces, and I'm just going to continue to do the same pattern all over my head. And now we're back with you guys. Okay, so like I'm basically almost done. I only have 2 sections left. And the reason why I left these sections is because my part is on the side. So I kind of like to part my hair the way that I want it before, or like to know how I want it to fall before I even start, because I know that I want my part to go inside, so this hair is gonna have to go that way. So I don't just want to be crimping the hair in any different direction. So I'll go ahead and make my last part. We're gonna fix those in a minute. But yeah, so this is one side. And then now I need to finish this. And this is what my hair looks like when it's all done. And then I like to like put my fingers through it, you know? Like, I like to put my fingers through it so that those like really indentions, you don't see those. And then I told you at the same time, I like it to look a little messy. Like this hairstyle, I feel like it's meant to just, you know, throw around, like fluff out and stuff like that. And I'm gonna do the same to this side. But these edges, these edges, I gotta fix these edges though. And then I'm just gonna be putting a little bit of that. Take like my little toothy brush. Fluff it up some more. So I like mine to be really like poofy and stuff like that because I like the style, the way that it looks. This is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up if you guys did, and I will see you guys on the next upload. Bye.